Now I would like to explain the most relevant symbols and menus of your therapy device. Here you will find the softSTART function. Press the softSTART key. The softSTART function is suitable for patients who find high pressure unpleasant while they are awake and consequently have trouble falling asleep. With softSTART, the pressure slowly increases from the low starting pressure to the therapy pressure during a selected time period. You can select the time period by pressing minus or plus key. Up until 45 minutes. Confirm with a small check mark the flashing value on the right of the screen. A green check mark will be displayed. With the device in standby mode, press the menu key. Call up the setting menu. In the setting menu, you will find all the comfort parameters that your doctor has activated for you. Again, you can adjust the softSTART by pressing the arrow button backward or forward. You can reach the next parameter. Your therapy device is equipped with the autoSTART stop function to make its operation even more convenient. When it is activated, you can switch on the device simply by breathing into the mask. After your therapy, when you remove the mask from your face, the device switches off automatically after a few seconds. You can activate this function with plus or minus, or switch it off. In the display, you will see on or off, which you can confirm with a small check mark on the right of the screen. The exhalation relief softPAP is intended for patients who find it unpleasant to exhale against high pressure. With softPAP, the pressure is temporarily reduced during the transition from inhalation to exhalation. When you inhale, the device returns to the preset therapy pressure. softPAP can be set in 2 levels. You can change the softPAP level by pressing plus or minus. softPAP level 1 is a slight pressure reduction. softPAP level 2 is a somewhat greater pressure reduction. You can also deactivate the softPAP. Select the level you find comfortable with plus or minus and confirm your selection with a small check mark on the lower right of the screen. Here you can set the time with the plus and the minus key. With the arrow to the right, you can switch from hours to minutes and to the format for the time display. By pressing the forward key, you get back to the softSTART. To leave the setting menu, press the on-off button. After the start of your therapy, you can check the mask for air tightness. The therapy device has to be switched on for the test. Press the menu key and activate the mask test. By pressing the plus or the minus button, you can increase or decrease the pressure. A good mask fit is indicated by a green check mark. If the mask position is not correct, the leak indicator is orange. If the leak indicator is orange, you have to reposition your mask.